Y'all, today we are finally steaming my crochet projects. I don't have a lot of them because I've already sold some of mine. These ones I've kept because I wanted to steam them, and you guys will see why I wanted to steam them before I sold them, because they are so I have such tight tension, extremely noticeable in my crochet projects. So this is a must. This has to be done. So I'm gonna show you how I steam my crochet projects. I don't use the blocking, soaking them in water method just because I've noticed over time that they have a smell, like a bombao smell. I'm not sure how to say that in English. Like a wet clothes smell. So I've never tried a steamer and I've never tried to steam my projects. So this is gonna be my first time. So come along with me steaming my crochet projects. Okay, so this is the steamer that I have. This is the Complete Steam by Conair, #1 selling steamer. If you are interested in buying this or want to steam your crochet projects, I'll leave the link down below to purchase this. Go ahead and crack this open. I'll show you my pieces before I steam them, so I could do like a little before and after for you guys. Good morning, y'all. It is the next day. I ended up not steaming my sweaters yesterday just because things were happening, life was lifing, and anyways, yeah. So I have my sweaters here today for you guys. I'm gonna go ahead and try them on and show you what they look like before. If you do hear any noise in the background, that is my son running around. I do have him today. No daycare today, y'all. But I'm gonna go ahead and try these on for you. So the first sweater I have here is my patchwork sweater. It came out a little bit bulky just because I double stranded it, but I still think it's really cute and it's really cozy. The only parts that need to be really steamed are these parts where I attach the sleeves to the base of the jacket, where it's like cinched in and it's really tight. But other than that, I think it's okay. It just needs to be steamed a lot in the arm area and probably the neck area because it's super tight up there. There's a zipper I added on here and then some pockets. I'm gonna go ahead and try it on for you guys. Okay, so this is what the sweater looks like. The sleeves are a little bit long, but that's okay. I have pockets here, my zipper. So right now it sits like right where my hip bone is. So I'm thinking it might come down to here. I'm not sure, but this is what it looks like so far. So this next one, it took me a while to make, but I must have messed up in the sleeves somehow, because look how cinched up they are right here, and then look how short they are, the sleeves. Like, how is it this short? I don't know. So I'm hoping that once I steam it, it relaxes the yarn and stretches out a little bit, at least down to my wrist area. But I'm going to show you what the back looks like because it's my favorite. It's the most thing I took the most time on, so I'll show you what that looks like. I do have pockets on this sweater too. They're just in a super awkward place, but I do like where they are. They're like down in the bottom. You can just like chill, put your hands there. But this is what it looks like, and then this is what the back looks like. It's just a monstera leaf plant with some rounds around it, and then the cardigan is super long, but I need to figure out something with this sleeve part here, so we're gonna go ahead and just steam it. Okay, so I went ahead and steamed both of the sweaters. I didn't record steaming the patch one because there wasn't a lot of steaming done because I didn't want to extend the arms any longer because they were already super long. This one had a drastic change and I'm so excited to try it on. So remember, the sleeves stopped like an inch or two above my wrist, like up here. So I'm hoping that it's now like down here. So let's see. I'm excited. Oh my god, look where it's at. Y'all, it worked. It worked. Look where it's at. Ooh, I feel all majestical. Oh my god, I'm so happy it worked. Look where the sleeves are at. It's no longer bulgy right here. It's just flat. See how flat it is? Oh my god. I am so happy with the results. I am literally shocked that it even worked. So that's what it looks like. Super fun. What the patchwork one looks like. Again, it's still super long. So I might either like cinch this in here or make a cuff so that it brings it all together. But I still really like it. It's still like the perfect length back here to where it's not covering too much and it sits like right above like the butt crack area. But yeah, it's super cute. I'm so happy. I'm so happy that they worked out. Oh my goodness. It's not as bulky on the arms anymore. Remember it was like all scrunched up like this in every single like patchwork, but now it's like a little bit flat. Look at that. Oh, 10 out of 10 recommend. Again, if you want to buy that steamer, it is linked down below. So yeah, so that is my 2 sweaters that I steamed, and I hope you found this video fun and interesting and helpful. If you did, go ahead and leave a like and a comment. It helps my channel grow. And if you like videos like these, go ahead and subscribe to my channel for future videos. But until next time, bye guys.